valve adjustment, new hot cam, and a new cam chain, the manual tensioner. Fucking A, right? Almost time. Fucking running mint, sounds tight. Just gotta lock that cam chain adjuster in. And other than that, gotta get a motherfucking stator cover gasket. Bitch is fucking leaking. Sucks. But, oh well. Could be worse, right? Everything else looks good, nothing else is leaking. Surprisingly, before any other time, that bitch would have boiled over. I got that new Boyson water pump, that super cooler, and a 1.6 Tusk gas coolant cap. And so far, so good. Like I said, yeah, I got that new, I got a Sparks on it now. I got that hot cam stage 2 R&D bowl. Jetted it 178 main, 45 pilot, and it pretty much gets rid of your leak jet. They give you an adjustable screw on that RD bowl, and the guy at Jet Lab said to pretty much keep it shut right off, and I can fine tune from there. But seems to be running good. Seems a little rich. Yeah, there was a little bit of, a little lean. There was a little popping, but we'll adjust that once we actually get her going and get the rider out. Everything else seems good. I got that Trail Tech stator kit in it with the battery so I can run a light bar. Just haven't got to that yet. But we'll get there. I also got brand new fucking wheels. Just waiting to get tires now. I got the old set for now that I can toss on there, but I'm really not in a rush. It's fucking winter time. I got plenty of toys that I can ride. So I'm taking my time. But we're getting there. Alright.